How can I link my Google Play gift card to my PayPal account?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to walk through the process of linking your Google Play gift card to your PayPal account. This can be extremely handy if you want to use your Google Play balance in more diverse ways, including online purchases via PayPal.
What you need.
Before we start, you should prepare the following: a Google Play gift card or the code from a Google Play gift card, an Android device or a computer where you can access Google Play Store, a PayPal account.
Redeem your Google Play gift card.
The first step is to redeem your Google Play gift card. 1. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store app. 2. Tap the menu and then redeem. 3. Enter your gift card code and tap redeem. On a computer, you can visit play.google.com/redeem and enter the gift card code directly. Once this is done, the value of the gift card will be added to your Google Play balance.
Add PayPal to your payment methods in Google Play.
Next, let's add PayPal as a payment method in Google Play. 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device, or if you're using a computer, visit Google Play on your web browser. 2. Tap the menu and then Payment Methods. 3. Under Add Payment Method, select PayPal. 4. Follow the instructions to link your PayPal account to Google Play.
Can I transfer my Google Play balance to PayPal?
Here's something important to remember. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Google does not officially allow transferring Google Play balance directly to a PayPal account or any other accounts. Google Play balance can be used for purchases of eligible items on Google Play only. This means you can't use your Google Play balance directly through PayPal, but only in places where Google Play balance is accepted. If the policy has changed after 2021, you should check Google's official website or contact their support for the most accurate information. That wraps up our guide on how to link your Google Play gift card to your PayPal account. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and until next time, happy shopping on Google Play.